Hi guys, this is another sidetrack on the little series I'm doing where I'm trying to replace the rear springs on this WPL-B1. They're just simple leaf springs, and I can't remember how old this one is, but yeah, that one snapped there. That one looks like it's about to break. Front ones have got little lines on them as if they're stressed. So I'm looking at sources of spring steel. I took that one out of a little wind-up kitchen timer. It's the sort of thing I want, but it's only about half the width that I need. I need about 5mm wide. That's about 2. I found this one in one of my toys that I've taken apart with the intention of mending at some time. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but this is rusty. It was a wind-up submarine. So that is actually the right width for what I want. Just about. If anything, it's just, oh no, it's just about right. But because it's rusty, I don't think it's got any strength left in it. I might be able to salvage just enough for the 2 back springs, because that bit there, although it's rusty, it looks better than the rest of it. So that's a possibility. And then this, you might guess, because I've got a bit of plastic, I think that's an IKEA timer. But it's one of those things that's coated in that sort of soft rubbery texture stuff that over the years goes sticky and you have trouble letting go of it. Now there's 2 things I could do with that. One, I can just take it apart and see how big the spring is, because if it did just happen to be the right width, I would use it. I suspect it will be as thin as that other one I showed you. The other thing I can do is there are videos of people cleaning this sticky stuff off. I can't remember which they use, whether they use acetone or something like that. Even the bottom, which doesn't look sticky, is sticky. It's horrible stuff. So, to be honest, I think I might just look inside it. I was thinking, do I do a video on trying to clean that stuff off? Doesn't say IKEA on it. I just had it in the back of my mind it might have come from IKEA. But IKEA is usually well marked to explain where it's come from. This one works. That's going to come apart. Oh, sorry, not the camera. Oh, this looks exactly the same as the other one I took apart. Looking at that, so I think there's no doubt it's going to be the same size spring. I get the feeling that that base should come off. Probably one of my favourite tools. It's my father's letter opener. Should have a wooden top to it as well. But it's ideal for this sort of thing. Oh, yeah, that is identical to that one that I took apart the other day. Which that bit. Yeah, that will actually fit on there. That's quite funny actually, because I could put that in there, because that one was broken. I say broken, the gears had come off. That one is ticking. You can't hear it, but it's ticking. So I don't think there's any point in taking that one apart, because that's going to be the same size spring. You can probably see the, I can't remember what you call that bit, but that's the bit that replaces a pendulum. Got a hair spring on it, goes backwards and forwards. I wonder if it will actually fit straight in. That's just not clipping on as tight as it should do. I have done cars powered by these, driven really slowly. Well, as you can imagine, that's an hour. So it does 1 revolution in an hour. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I think I'll throw this away. I could do a video on trying to clean this sticky stuff off it, but I don't want to. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.